supreme, but for that wonderful throw from Peters, the world champion.
Yep, Nadeem, he's been holding his right elbow. You can see the colourful strapping, clearly carrying an injury. He was also half carrying the gold medal. Until Anderson Peters, the world champion, decided to throw 88.64. So he's got 2 throws left to try and get back the lead. 2 throws left to try and get back into the gold medal position. Nadeem of Pakistan then in the silver medal position with that personal best of 88 metres, 64 centimetres. Oh, that's high. Good grief. It was not coming down. Anderson Peters has gone, oh my days, have I got to pull out another big one in the last round here? It's coming through the system. 90 metres and